Yeah, this is a complete video tutorial how to connect your Powermta SMTP server to this bulk email sender software. So this tutorial is basically for clients I build Powermta SMTP server. So if I gave you this bulk email sender, so this is a complete video guide how you can connect your SMTP to this bulk email sender. So as well, if you got this email sender from us or you want to use your own personal SMTP credential, this is a complete video how to connect your SMTP server to this video and how to install this bulk email sender software. So this bulk email sender can work with any SMTP server, but it's not going to work with Gmail SMTP server. So if you are looking for bulk email sender that you can use with Gmail SMTP server, you can chat us on our WhatsApp to get you a bulk email sender which that allows Gmail SMTP server. So this is a complete video. So after you've gotten the download link to your software to your email sender and we are sending your Powermta credentials, so you have downloaded it, you have installed it. This is how you can install your bulk email sender and how you can connect the SMTP to it and start using to send bulk email. So first of all, after you have downloaded it, extract the file. Just click extract all. So it's going to take a few minutes. So it's going to take a few minutes to complete. So I've already done that, so I'm not going to take time. So just extract, cancel. Let me cancel it. So after you have extracted the file out, then this is the folder is going to be like this, or it should be like email max emailer. And it's after I've extracted the file, just open the folder, click on source, click on package, sorry mistake, click on bin, mistake, sorry. So you can see, so just click on this application, the max emailer, just click on it. The software will automatically open. So all you have to do, so the software will open. So all you have to do is just to pin it to your taskbar. Like click on pin to taskbar, so you don't have to be going for doing the same procedure every time you want to open the software. So after you have done that, so can you see this, the interface, can enter your email, your content, blah blah. It's very lightweight and very easy to use. And also, you want to use, if you want to upload your ATM, maybe you're using ATM or email newsletter, you can just right click here, you can just come down here. So you can just click here, it's going to change with ATM. So this is how you can set up your SMTP server. So just come to this settings, can you see? So come to this settings, let me close. So everything is going to be dull like this, there's not going to be anything here, so it's going to be empty like this. So if it's made a bit help you to set up your SMTP server, so all this credential is going to be sent to you. So all you have to do is just to follow this video tutorial to connect to it. So it's going to ask you for email server. Some email server can ask you for host name, so just they are the same thing. So just copy it, just copy the host name, paste it here. It's going to ask you for ports. If you are using Powermta, it's going to be 2525. Just follow the same procedure. Can you see 2525? Your email, your username is going to ask you for your username. Enter your username. It's going to ask you for the password. Enter your password. Then before you click on this test SMTP for you to know maybe it's working or not, firstly save your credential. Click on save. save, then go back, open the settings again. So make sure your credential that you enter is this. Then you can now click on test smtp. So you can see email sent successfully. So if everything is not connected correctly, you are going to receive error. So before you can know maybe your email is going to send, first test your smtp credential you enter. So if you receive this email sent successfully, then your credential is okay. So after you have set it up, so the next thing you have to do is to upload your contacts. Just come to this file option, click on import. You can import email as CSV. So let me just create a demo email. So let me just create a demo email. Let me just enter one email here. Then click on file upload, import. You can create a notepad. You can copy and paste your email from anywhere, create the file as notepad, then import the email as tst. So you can see all the emails you import is going to show here. So the next, you can just enter your from name, the name you are using to send, maybe anything support, your subjects, enter your subjects, maybe a promoting your affiliate product, anything you are using it for. You want to include attachment, you can include your attachment, then enter your message. Hello. Can you see? Then the next thing, you're just going to it. Then click on this start option. Then if I click on start now, can you see email sent to the Saturday is going to be very fast, and if you start sending it, it's going to, you can also stop it and refresh it again. So this is how you can set up your Powermta or SMTP server you are using with this software. Note, this bulk email sender is not going to work with Gmail SMTP. So we are going to use Gmail SMTP. This bulk email sender is not going to work for it. So if you want us to build your own SMTP server also, or you want to get this bulk email sender, you can click the link under this video to chat us on our WhatsApp. Thank you. You will see you again.